Hello everyone, I'm Amod and welcome back to my YouTube channel. AI is everywhere today. Many people are using it extensively to boost productivity and build new solutions. But others are struggling to keep up with how quickly things are changing. After speaking with a few of them, I realized how hard it is to stay up to date with the rapid pace of AI advancements. With that in mind, I am restarting my videos to help those who feel left behind. Right now, my focus is not on views or revenue. I want to create content that genuinely helps the community. So, in the first video, we are going to start with the installation of GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So, what is GitHub Copilot? So, if you're a software developer or an automation tester, you need to write a lot of codes. To write codes, you may need to Google or you need to ask around, or based on whatever programming understanding you have, you will write the code. If you face any issue, you need to debug by yourself. You need to think more to make it more optimal. Or if you want to fix a bug in the code written by others, you need to understand the flow and then you can make the changes. So basically, all these things people were doing earlier, but now time is changed. We have a friend who is available 24 by 7 to help us to write better code. In fact, to do a lot of things, which will eventually increase your productivity and overall health of your application. So one of that friend is GitHub Copilot. So let's see how can we install this GitHub Copilot in the IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm using the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, which is 2026.1, and you must be aware that now we don't have IntelliJ IDEA community version and enterprise version separately. All are clubbed into one product. As you can see, here we have option of start free trial. If you want to get the paid version, you can take the subscription and start using its premium features. But if you are a learner or you are practicing on your system, you can use free version of IntelliJ IDEA. Now you don't need to download community version separately. So IntelliJ IDEA also provide their AI helper, which is called AI chat. So if you want to use plugin provided by IntelliJ IDEA, you can use this AI assistant. But in most of the companies, people are using Copilot. So let's see how can we install that in IntelliJ IDEA. So that is very simple. GitHub Copilot is available as a plugin which can be installed in this IntelliJ IDEA. So for that, you need to click on this and go to settings. Under the plugins, go to marketplace and type Copilot. So here second search result. If you click on that, you can see GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. You need to click on install and you can see installation in progress. It will take some time, and now installation is done. It is asking you to restart IDE. So click on it. It will restart your IntelliJ IDEA. So once IntelliJ IDEA restarted, you'll see one option GitHub Copilot chat. If you click on it, it is asking you to continue with GitHub. So if you want to use Copilot, you need to have a GitHub account. So let's click on continue with GitHub, and here you need to basically provide your username and password and click on sign in. And now it is asking me to continue as my username. Click on authorize GitHub. Now authentication is successful, and if you go to your IntelliJ IDEA, you should see GitHub Copilot successfully logged in to GitHub for GitHub Copilot. Now basically we have done the installation of GitHub Copilot in the IntelliJ IDEA. Now we have few modes like ask, agent, and others we will see later. So if you select this ask mode, I'm just going to show one simple demo. So here I can ask, give me a hello world Java program. So here you can see in the ask mode, it has given me a simple Java program which will print the hello world. But if you use agent mode, and here let me give the same prompt and hit the send button. So you can see it is trying to add a file. Let me click on add, and here you can see it has basically created one hello world.java, and it is asking if you want to keep this change. So let me click on keep all, and if you expand this statement you can see it is going to print hello world. So this is the difference between simple ask mode and agent mode. I'm going to explain many use cases in my upcoming videos, but this is very basic of using Copilot in your IntelliJ IDEA. One point I should cover here that GitHub Copilot is not completely free, and if you scroll down you can see we have plans and pricing. Click on it, and we have free version where we have only 50 agent mode or chat requests per month. But if you want to learn more, then you can go for its premium version. Anyway, if you're working in a company, so most of the companies are providing paid version of GitHub Copilot where you can use all the features of Copilot extensively and become more productive. So that's all in this video tutorial. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. If you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share with others. Thank you everyone.